Leg out. Yellow bottle G, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yeah, that shit look like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She wax it all off, Mr. Miyagi, and them suicide doors. Ari Kari, look at me now, look at me now. Oh, I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Yeah. Fresh to the fuck. Little nigga bigger than the real, cause I'm killing every nigga that can try to be on my shit. But look at the chick, if you will, I can get it. And she actually really feel my name. So I say, oh my dick. I really wanna say, oh my dick. But since we talking about my dick, all of you niggas say, hi to me. I'm done.
Hell, Breezy. Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie. Let's go! Just know that you will never find me. And I know that I gotta be a little cocky. You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come, a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga thinking he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna do it. Then I'm gonna murder everything and anything about it. Boom, about it. Then I gotta do a lot of things to make it clear to a couple niggas that I always win, and then I gotta get it again and again and again. And I be doing it to death, and I'm a little power nigga, better call a rapping. Everybody know my style, niggas know that I'm the best when it comes to doing this, and I be banging on my chest, and I'm banging the keys, and I'm banging in the west, and I'm gonna give you more, and I will never give you less. You can give me the machine, and you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next?